Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to screen record on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, open Gig Settings panel, so just swipe down and you will see screen recorder is here. Click on screen recorder and click on start recording. You will see after few 3 seconds you will see screen recording is start. And you will see if you want to use pen, so you will see change color from here. After use, and you will see and if you want to stop, click on this icon, click on gallery app, and you will see screen recording is here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can screen recorder on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.